Hi guys! We continue to discover Asturias, and today we are in small town Cudillero in Asturias, northern Spain. This town is formed by the few streets around the port. The houses have the bright orange roofs and are located on the slopes of the mountains. My name is Tatiana Zappa. Let's go to see the town with me. Legend says that Cudillero was founded by the Vikings. In addition to Castellano, some locals still speak a dialect called Pixeto. Nowadays, Cudillero's main economic activities are related to tourism, but it is also known for its fishing industry.
And oh, I know it's been a long time. I was on the sideline waiting for